Hello everyone! Yes, what I have today? Yes, it's a tomato. So what is the color of tomato? One and only red color. Okay? So today's topic is red color. Which color we are going to learn today? Red color. As you can see, I am wearing also a red colored dress. Yes, so let's see some other things. Those are in red color. Okay, you want to see what is this? Red apple. Red apple. What is the color of apple? Red color. Okay, see when we cut the apple, we can see violet color inside. But this is red apple. Okay, and here, as I already seen to you, the tomato. Red tomato. What is this? Red tomato. What is the color of tomato? Red color. Red color, red color. Where are you? Where are you? Here I am. How do you do? What is the color? This is the red color. You like the red color? Yes or no? Yes, I like red color. Maybe you want. Okay. And let's make some other examples. You want to see? What is this? This is a strawberry. What is this? Strawberry. And what is the color of strawberry? Red color. What is the color of strawberry? Red color. And red light. What do you say? I say stop right away. Yes, you see the traffic signal? Yes, when the red light is on, we should stop. This is a red signal. This is a red signal. What is the color of the signal? Red. And here, a red toy. Red toy. What is the color of toy? Red color. Okay. Now here, I want to show you a very beautiful thing. You liked it very much. Flower. Red flower. You want to know the name of this flower? This is hibiscus. Okay. So what is this? Hibiscus flower. And what is the color of hibiscus flower? Red color. Okay. There are different colors hibiscus are there. But today I have the red one. Okay. Next. Yes. What is this? It's a hand fan. Okay. I have the red one also. Okay. This is the color of red. Red color hand fan. Okay. Now you want to meet rose. Red rose. Yes. Which color rose is this? This is the red rose. Okay. So here, so many examples I have already shown to you. The color of red. Okay. So you have to memorize what are the things that have red color. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.